Hello, this is Innovaner, who is curious to learn more on the traits of creative minds and at same time also eager to share same with you to bring the difference in the world together. Let's have solemn love for opportunity.
Today is the fourth episode and title is How Personal Problems Can Be Redefined Using Creative Thinking Process.
Hi Juma, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Seems your good is not good. What happened? All fine?
My son is demanding expensive shoes as his classmates are wearing. I am much worried about his attitude as he is now in adolescence age.
What is it? For what purpose he is looking for that shoe?
He is saying for the upcoming sports, he has to perform better and for that purpose he needs the shoe.
Contradicting views. Okay, let me talk to him.
After a day,
I talked to him. No, sorry. I just not talked to him. I tried to get his empathy, his feelings for having so expensive shoes. As per him, he only see or dreams of medal for his house in a school. As per him, he is having tight competition with couple of guys of other house and they have got better shoes and that is helping them to take an edge as these shoes are light and better grip. As per him, he is hearing his house is shouting and cheering him. He is feeling getting the champion cup for his house. The challenge he is having with couple of guys who are equally good as his son. And now by having good shoes, they are getting an edge. This is the pain your son is having as he does not want to lose. He feels the shoe he is talking about will help him to mitigate the gap.
thanks for resolving the misunderstanding. But how do you got to know all these things?
You know what? I tried to understand how this shoe is going to add value to him. For that, I tried to get insights from son in a structured way to know his pain or scream or desire for the product. You might have also done it unconsciously. When I said to him, if suppose you are given this shoe you are looking for, how it is going to help you? Trust me, I was expecting an answer like, when I wear this shoe, I want to look handsome or smart and so I can be confident. But instead, he said, when I wear the shoe, I want to run fast and so I can win medal for house. The process I used is called job to be done, which focuses on problem solution, how it's going to add value to anyone. It has three components. Description of the situation, it is described by when. So it is said, when I wear the shoes. Explanation of the motivation, it is described as I want to. So it is described, I want to run fast. Expected result, it is described by so I can. So it is described by son as so I can win medal for house. I understood I cannot carry on discussion with parts and parcels of discussion we had prior. I emptied my mind by having no assumptions and further tried to understand his empathy or feelings. The next process or tool I adapted is called empathy mapping in design thinking. It helps in exploring just what he said by minutely observing his voice, his body language, kinesis, focusing more than what he is saying, why he is saying. Empathy map helps in gathering details like what other person is thinking or feeling. It is just more than what he is saying, what he is seeing, what he is saying and doing, what he is hearing, what is his pain, an opportunity for gain.
Thanks for helping me to get rid of abstract thinking. At the same time, I feel good about how nicely you got the studies which usually are practiced in corporate, you have used in your personal life.
Thanks, Juma.
Thanks, and we will try to come up with various creative thinking process to solve our personal or professional issues. We are just putting an effort to let you know. Creative thinking process is not just business or corporate mantra. It's a habit. We need to adapt it. It is well said by scholar Maya Anilak. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have.
Thanks, friends, for being with us, and hope it was also helpful and inspiring insight for all of us. If really you liked our discussion, we request you to follow our channel and subscribe the channel wherever you are following. We have a request for sharing your honest feedback for us to be better focused on our objective. Thanks a lot.